Hi everyone, I'm going to demonstrate the multifunction spin scrubber. When I saw that I have to scrub all this tile in my bathroom, I wanted to cry because I don't have a cleaning person to help me. This brush is just fantastic. It has different attachments, so you can just take it off easily. And I'm going to demonstrate with this one. Put it on. It's got a button here that you can have it straight or bent. I think I'll do straight for purposes of showing you what I'm going to do here. Now look at this mold that I have in my bathroom. Look at this. I'm going to spray it a little cleaner. See that right here? Now watch this. Why? It just goes away. Look how clean that is. All gone. So that's it, folks. You saw the mold's gone. I don't have to sit there scrubbing all day long. I mean, this is amazing. It's fantastic. I don't know how everybody doesn't have one.